Hey, it's Halloween Dad. It's part 2 of the haunted basement. We'll try to get a little bit starting. I mean, I can't really keep the basement totally enclosed. I told my wife I wouldn't totally cover up her laundry area. So, but what we got right now, I showed you in the last video, just starting to put up some 2x2s to keep it steady when I come around with the plastic. I mean, my ceilings are decently high, almost 8 feet, and these are 8-foot 2x2s from Home Depot. So when I come through, I'll wrap it around. I can't put one right here yet, just for the fact that it's gonna block off my wife's laundry room. So I gotta wait on this one. That's gonna be the main hallway to come through on that. But so what we got, come through here. Right now, it's not easy getting in throughout here. So what I'm doing is I'm leaving an area open. Of course, it's your basement, so you still need storage to move stuff out of the way. So I'll figure out how to get all this stuff, and I'll just end up covering all that up right there, you know, with the plastic when we go around. So, but this area coming through, when you go around with the all the equipment we have here, that nobody uses, I'm gonna have it kind of blocked this way. So I put another 2x2 right here, and it'll come and it'll block here. So I'm gonna have this whole space to basically store, you know, some totes, you know, some other stuff that we keep just kind of on the floor. I mean, it's a basement, so it's not the most open thing. So, but that's about where I am right now. I'm gonna continue to go and put more plastic up around here, and we'll see where we go from there. And I will check back with you on part 3.